Okay, this is Ross Jackman. This is MEC 140 Computer Programming Final Project. Here's my code up on the screen. There's our window. When it first comes up, push button to start. Here's our layout on the board. Here's our motor and our red light and green lights representing the conveyor. So when the conveyor is moving, the green light in the motor will be on. When it's stopped at a station and a station's in process, or when it's stopped at a station, the red light will come on. This is our on-off switch. So right now it's off. And when I turn it on, it'll start the process. If I shut it off, everything will shut off. The first station is our forging machine, which is with a pressure sensor to sensor the pressure of the press. Second station is a heat treating station. This is a temperature sensor, so it's going to measure the temperature. The third station is a curing process. So I've got this set up with an LED and a photoresistor in there with a potentiometer, and when I turn up the potentiometer, that'll be kind of the curing time, and when it reaches a certain point, the curing time will be over with. So let's begin. Push button to start. Motor and green light are on. Now the forging process. Pressure switch. So it's reading. Okay, forging done. Motor and green light. Now it's starting to read the oven temperature. So what I'm going to do is make it warmer. I'm going to cover up this temperature sensor, and there the oven's done. Conveyor moved. Curing time. You can see the time is increasing. Actually, no, there's decreasing. Turning it the wrong way. Oops. Okay. There we go. Cure done. Conveyor moved. I got to turn that back down. Okay, if the cure done, there's one piece. Now it's back to the forge press. Forge press again. Okay, forging is done. Conveyor moved. Heat treatment. Oven's done. Conveyor moved. Curing time. Okay, curing time's done. Moved again. Now, two pieces, they're in assembly, and shipped to the warehouse. Quantity in the warehouse is 1. That 4 beeps in the motor that you heard intermittently are to represent a forklift, taking it from the assembly area and moving it to the warehouse. Now we'll run this through one more time. Forge press. Forging. Conveyor. Oven temperature. Oven's done. Conveyor. Cure time. Turn up this potentiometer. Curing's done. Okay, there's the conveyor. Now a total of 3 pieces have been done. Now back to the forge. Okay. See the conveyor stuff moving. There it moves. Oven temperature. Oven's done. Conveyor. Cure time. Curing's done. Turn that back down. 4 pieces have been through assembly. Shipping that to the warehouse. And quantity in the warehouse equals 2. And the cycle will begin all over again for the next part and continue on from there.